Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you didn't subscribe so that you will not miss my upcoming videos. So today we have a very interesting demo for Mac users. So let's jump on the demo right away. Here it is, how to install Kali Linux 2023 on Mac M1 and M2 with UTM. So here I put a short definition to make you understand a little bit about UTM. And UTM is a full-featured system emulator and virtual machine host for iOS and macOS. In short, it allows you to run Windows, Linux, and more on your Mac, iPhone, and iPad. You have to go to this link, mac.getutm.app. So this is the main link where you can go. I will put it down below. So from there you can click it and get this. From here you can download this application. After downloading it, and you will move it to your applications folder, and here it is right now. And what we can do is just double click on this because I have it downloaded. And if you didn't have it, first download and install it. And next, here we come to this application UTM. Double click on that. So I have those 3 virtual machines installed, and I will show you, for example, how I have installed Kali Linux 2023. When you install UTM for the first time, this part should be empty, and you can have those virtual machines from the steps I will show you here. So for Kali Linux, the way I got it is from here. I came to this place, browse UTM gallery. We just double click on this one. It will send us to a browser where we will have this UTM. So this was the link I was showing you at the beginning, and we have this root plus. Here's the gallery. I'll just bring it nearby. You will see here is the same link, then plus this root for the gallery. Here is the virtual machine Kali Linux. You just have to come here and double click on that. And the same for Ubuntu here. If you want to get Ubuntu, this is Windows 10, and I got it also from here. As you can see, Windows 10, Ubuntu, Kali Linux. I will just show you for this Kali Linux, and you can go and install other virtual machines. So we double click on this one and we come to this place, open in UTM, not this, just this one, open in UTM. We double click on that, open in UTM. It will ask you if you have already this application downloaded in your own machine. So because I showed you here, I have it already downloaded. And when I press this one, it will try to download this to the UTM application. So download VM or virtual machine, we press download. The downloading process started here. Probably it will take some time depending on your network probably, and you just have to be patient until everything is finished, and you can then launch it. Because I have it here downloaded, this is for the sake of demo. I just want to show you how it works and how I did it. So I cancel for this one because I have it here. And when you have it downloaded, you just come and select this, double click on that, go to this edit. And when you are in edit here, there is this new. So there's a plus sign new here. You press on this one, serial. So this serial is the one I have here. If I press it again, there will be 2. Let me just show you. So this one is 1, 2. As much as we add serials, there will be more. So I don't need it. I can remove it. It's just to show you, because we need this one to open a terminal window when we press the launch, or when we press the start button. It will help the system to boot up correctly. So don't forget to add it if you don't have it there. As I showed here, new, you go to the arrow here, press serial, and after that you save the changes. And for me, I have it already there. And now we press on this button start here and wait for it to start. Yes, now you just select the first one there and wait for Kali Linux to launch. And usually the default username and password is just Kali. Probably you can change it in the settings, but for the first time you can use Kali as a username and password. So we can occupy this full screen size. It's just yes. And here you go to the terminal, and for the first time, if you want to do some update and upgrade, you can use this command sudo su. It will send you to the root path and will ask you the password, and it was just Kali. And now we are in the root. From here you can do some update and upgrade, like sudo, as you can see here, apt, and press enter, and the update is done. And we can do the upgrade. Also here we can use just the arrow keys from the keyboards, the upward arrow key, and we edit this update to upgrade. So we press enter and the process is done. Probably I have done it before. For the first time, it will probably take a little bit of time to finish. Don't forget to subscribe and give a like to this video and comment. If you have some questions, also leave them down below. Thank you.